If you've ever found yourself in the middle of a home repair or tech fix and thought, there has to be an easier way, then this video is for you. Today we're diving into how you can use ChatGPT to tackle common DIY repairs with step-by-step instructions. As always, don't forget to check the pinned comment for extra resources and tips to help you conquer your next DIY challenge. Let's jump right in. Let's start with something almost everyone encounters at some point: a leaky faucet. Not only is that dripping sound annoying, but it can also waste a surprising amount of water over time. And honestly, think about your faucet. Is it single handle or double handle model? Knowing this will help ChatGPT tailor the instructions specifically for your setup. And now, let's get started with this one. So here's the prompt you can use to get started. So for instance, right over here, I would ask ChatGPT, my kitchen faucet is dripping even after turning off the handle tightly. Can you guide me through diagnosing and fixing the issue? Okay, so let's see what ChatGPT comes up with right here. And as we enter, let's watch ChatGPT break down the process in a way that's easy to follow, even you've never picked up a wrench before. Okay, as you'll see, here are the following steps. They're more detailed right here, as you'll see. Okay, more steps. There we go. Let's scroll up and see what ChatGPT had recommended for us. Okay, gather the tools right over here. And then the following steps like turn off water supply, sorry about that. Tongue tied, this would help so that it won't waste any water. There we go. So that, yeah, it would drain the remaining water and release pressure. Then determine the faucet type right over here. Knowing the type helps you find the right fix. Okay. Then disassemble the faucet. Okay, diagnose the issue. If it's either of these, and there's fix the problem. There we go. There are different ways right here. Then reassemble. And yep, see, ChatGPT doesn't just give you generic advice. It tailors the instructions based on the tools you might have and the type of faucet right over here. See, with number 3. And also tools. There we go. That could help you out even more. And type of faucet, once again, that you're dealing with. Plus, it'll even suggest tips to prevent future leaks, if ever. Right here, if you want to ask for future tips, you want to prevent the leaks, you can ask ChatGPT. There we go. So it's like having a virtual handyman in your pocket, which is ChatGPT itself. See how helpful this is? Now let's move to a tech problem we've all faced: slow or spotty Wi Fi. Whether you're trying to work from home, stream your favorite show, or just scroll through social media, bad Wi Fi can ruin your day. So instead of spending hours on the phone with tech support, let's see how ChatGPT can help troubleshoot this in minutes. Okay, so here's my prompt. There we go. ChatGPT, my Wi Fi keeps dropping in the living room while other rooms have a strong signal. What steps, sorry about that, my voice, can I take to fix this specific issue? Okay, so let's send this off right about now as we let ChatGPT process with my prompt request. Okay, here it is. The following steps right here. There we go. Each of them a little bit more detailed to help you out even more. All right, there we go. So let's check them out. 1, reposition your router. Okay, here are options right there. Second, reduce interference. Like this. Okay. Another one, update your router firmware. This one. There's also change Wi-Fi channels or bands. There we go. Another one, Wi-Fi extender or mesh system. There we go. Two options there. Check for device issues with this one. And another one right here. Check for bandwidth overload and consider wiring options. Another one with these options. Yep, each of these solutions offer different options. So, yep, look at that. It, as you'll see once more, even provides detailed explanations for each of these solutions slash steps so you know exactly why you're doing this. Plus, ChatGPT can help identify if the issue is, yep, just what I thought, like your router firmware or the wiring, so on and so forth. And yep, as you see, no more guesswork. See right there? Different range of possible problems with the Wi-Fi, and yep, ChatGPT, I provided a range of solutions right here. So if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Moving on, let's tackle a classic home repair, patching a hole in drywall. Maybe you accidentally bumped the wall while moving furniture, or maybe just regular wear and tear from daily life. Either way, this can seem intimidating if you've never done it before. But don't worry, ChatGPT can guide you through it step by step. And here is the prompt I'll be putting right over here. Let's say ChatGPT. I have a 4-inch hole in my drywall from a door handle. Can you guide me through patching it so it looks brand new? And let's send this off and let's see what ChatGPT provides some instructions. Here we go. Down here, materials and step by step. And their bullet points to add more detail with each step. And their extra tips to help you up. Okay. There you have it. Let's see right here. Yep, materials right here. Going down, preparing the area, utility knife to clean up the edges of the hole. They're loose drywall pieces, remove them. Okay. Backing support if needed. There we go. There are each steps here. Cut in place the patch. Apply drywall taper mesh right here. Apply joint compound. Sand smooth. Apply additional coats and prime and paint. Yep, that's how you fix a hole from a drywall. Extra tips, color match. Yes, that could be useful. And yep, this is even more useful, door stopper. Yep, and as you'll see right over here, ChatGPT not only shows you how to patch the hole, but it also gives you tips right there and below in each of the steps down here. Yep, like sanding it smoothly and matching the paint color perfectly. Like this one right there. And yep, and another one right over here. So yeah, you'll have that wall looking brand new in no time if you're able to follow the extra tips and step by step to fix up the hole in the drywall. See? Finally, let's talk about unclogging a slow draining sink. We've all been there, standing water in the sink that just won't budge. Well, instead of reaching for harsh chemicals or calling a plumber, let's see how ChatGPT can help us handle this with easy, safe solutions. Now, here's my prompt. Right over here, I would ask ChatGPT this. My bathroom sink drains very slowly. And I suspect there's hair clogging the pipes. What's the safest way to clear this? And then let's send this off. As we see, let's see how ChatGPT would provide us like solutions. There we go. Okay, here are the following. There we go. Yep. Let's check the 6 solutions the ChatGPT suggested. First, right here, remove the stopper. There we go. To collect hair, then manual removal, like hair removal tool or wire hanger hacks, which I actually did this one time. There we go. And 3, flush with boiling water. Okay. Use baking soda and vinegar. And see, it put out like detailed measurements, like pour 1/2 cup of baking soda down the drain. And yep, a detailed time duration, like 10 to 15 minutes. All right, then rinse with hot water to clear out loose and debris. There's also plunge if needed. Check the P-trap or the curved pipe. So, yep, there it is. As you can see, all of them right here. Each of them provided like different solutions to help out clear hair clogs from your bathroom sink. So, yeah, you'll be back in no time with having a smooth, draining sink just as you really want. Okay, and that's how you can use ChatGPT to handle common DIY repairs around the house. Whether it's plumbing, tech, troubleshooting, or home maintenance, having ChatGPT on hand can make these tasks so much easier.